Ate.
Hi guys! Hello! Happy birthday, Kakat! Happy birthday. What do you want? Your birthday.
Relax. Pasok pa. Tara, let's go. Let's go to Green Place. Kat.
Baby, hindi pa pwede. Ate, wait lang. Go, ate. Go, ate. Go, ate. Go. Ate mo na. Go, ate. Go, ate.
Birthday.
Kat mo lang ng bigo.
Wow. Kayo ni ate. Go, ate. Go, ate.
Wait, on.
Dali, ate, ah.
Wow, very good. Very good.
Ay, lang mo. Dali, ate. Ate, wait lang, ate, ah.
Kita sih.
Lumagalibag ka. Go, ate.
Hindi na parang.
Dali, ate.
Pagdating pa. Pagdating daw.
Ikaw, dali, ate. Ate, go, ate. Dali, ate, ah. Dali, ate, ah. Dali, ate.
Picture natin.
Ate.
Picture.
Wow, winner! Winner, winner!
Yan na. Sige, atapin mo tayo kaya. Atap. Sige, may tali yan. Sige, atap. Ay, abot. Yun.
Ay, inabot. Inabot?
Ganun, ganun. Yun.
Sige, yun. Yun. Okay, back, okay. Atay mo. No, hop, hop. Okay. Slowly, slowly. Okay, okay. Atap. Atap mo na. Sige. Wait lang. Push mo, go. Yun. Go. Atap, push. Go. Wow, talaga sila super ba? Nice, ate, you're so brave. Go, ate. Go, ate. Oh, 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 ate. Oh, oh. Hey. Oh, yeah, oh. Okay, ay, stop doon. Yan.
Nice one, Maya, almost there.
Ang galing natin. Hindi mo sa kanila.
Nice, nice. Better. Wait. Go. Good.
Picture mo natin. Ate, picture mo na.
Happy birthday, Toby.
Slowly. Slowly. Up. Over. Slowly. Slowly. Okay. Good. Ready. Galing mo naman. Wala. Wala.
Ah, yung bag mo!
Wala dumagan. Ay, ang ganda.
Parang kang pinutong. Excited na
Hindi ko lang video.
Nagpanda-banda siya eh.
I'm a catch and a very gifted bowler. It won't be long now, I guarantee. Hang on, it's me, Fiona. It's me, Fiona.
Ayoko na.
Good. Snag. Show. Wait. Hi. Say hi. Sabi mo, happy birthday.
Happy birthday
To me.
to me.
Bilis mo eh, baka mo. Hindi mo eh. Hindi mo hinahanap ko. Isipin mo rin pa no?
Silay. Mami. And baby. Wait lang. Nugget.
Parilin mo yung ano mo, pe. Kunin mo yun dun. Bye-bye. Thank you.
Okay, all done? Let's go back to your seat. Name? What's your name? Catriona. Catriona Ray. Ready?
What is your name? Sirelay.
Okay, let's go back here and we sing happy birthday song to them. Okay? Come here. Are you ready? In 3, 2, 1. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Thank you, Blaine. Everyone and Kia for celebrating your birthday here at Dream Play. Thank you. Thank you. It's time to begin.
Eh, pwede pa kasi sulat natin yung
Get the ball of your dough. That's our main ingredients. Then get all of it. Then mold your dough into a circle. Is that getting your dough? Okay, then first rock like this. Start to do down on your table. Press up, make your palm. Then flatten it. Okay, that's it. Then use your dough so that every side will be perfect as well. Let's do like this. Okay. Okay, on. It's time to get your rolling pin. Hold it like that, everybody. Then roll your dough forward. Backward. Then side by side. Make sure that your dough is not too big. Or not too big, that's the right size. Or not too big, that's the big. Okay, then check from time to time if your cookie cutter fits on your dough. That's easy. Just continue rolling. Continue rolling and make it wider and fix it up for your cookie cutter. Okay, reverse 160. Get down your cookie cutter. And make sure that the sharp of your cookie cutter is facing on your dough, the sharp edge.
Sharp, sharp.
Okay, then put down the top of your dough.
Go, don't mind. Press.
And make shape. Shape, shape, shape.
Stop, stop, stop.
Okay, and then cut it. Oh, but don't remove the cookie cutter yet. Then remove the excess dough from the outside. Remove the excess dough from the outside. And it turns like this. You have a very long intermittent cookie dough. Now I'll go. Hi, DJ. You must hold your dance. Watch that, DJ. Yeah, my boys and my mom are really big.
Daddy.
There are no other DJ. Excuse me, DJ. You got the second DJ. Somebody's what's on the cooking today? Everybody, who's there? Everybody, different colors of icing. Okay, front of you, please get it. Okay.
Hi.
And the proper way to use your icing is to hold it from the top. And squeeze it gently so that your icings will come out nicely. If you want to finish your icings, you can squeeze a little amount on your fingertip, then place it. But you don't put everything inside your mouth. Okay, just put a little amount on your fingertip and place your icings. Okay, is it good if your thumbs up? Okay. Okay. It's time not to decorate your cookies. But, by the way, I have a little trick for everyone. Did you know that here at in this kitchen, we have this magic oven that can bake and which gives you faster than usual. And it's only for 10 seconds. And all you need to do is count with me from 10 down to 1. Remember, the hour that you count. Let's figure out your cookies don't lose out. Are you ready to count? Okay, start counting from 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It's phone number. Just be careful next time, right? Oh, are you all excited to see your cookies? Yes. Now let me check. Now let me check your cookies. Oh, and smells good. Oh, first, here now all your cookies. Please and ready. Once you see your cookies, you can start decorating them again with eyes, nose, lips, or happy eating friend. And don't forget to make your beautiful friend smile.
Copy your apron. Look at apron. Copy smiley.
Is that what you track?
In the end, it's not being raised red cards, just to take it. You can say, it doesn't matter. Since you come up with it, maybe you're shaking it. But yes, shake donkey, I'm full on that donkey fight. Oh, perfect. No, that's what you need something called a donkey waffle. Come with me, you're like a donkey. I will want you to be all done? 10 more seconds. Okay, not too much icing, not too much. It's 10, 9, not too much icing. 8, 7,
You see that picture?
6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and what's the last number, guys? Okay, 3, 2, 1. Okay, hands up, everyone, hands up, hands up. Okay, hands up in the air. Okay, put down your icings. Then keep yourself around. Okay, wait, everyone. All of your cookies are edible. If you want to eat your cookies specially, you can bring them after the cookie. But before you leave the please, remove your cookies.
Picture natin ba?
Okay, and thank you. And enjoy the rest of your stay here at Team. Thank you. Bye.
Tina?
Jasmine!
Cut.
Jasmine, ano dito? Bakit siya?
Iwan ka na. Ayaw mo na? Bala ko dyan.
Where we are?
Bakit mo? Dikit mo na ba?
Okay, now time for your wins. There we go. Okay, right here, guys. Next. I need 2 wins from you guys. 2 wins. Sides. All right. Now I need 4 legs from you guys. Okay, we're gonna 4 legs. Got it. Okay. Face on the dragon. Okay, here, I'll hold your dragon for you. And face your legs for you. Up here. There we go. Next.
Uh-oh. Other side, other side.
All right, now your tail. I think you can take your seat.
Bakit sa kanyang dragon?
To finish off your dragon, can you pick a flag for me? Where your dragon belongs? Where? You want this one? Your dragon belongs to the tracker class, one of our intelligent dragons. So here we go. Let me grab this one for you. And for the need, can you pick a flag for me?
Oh, hindi ka, excuse me. Get one. Dali, get one.
This one. Yes, we got the Bible flag, one of our underwater breeding dragons.
Wow.
Yay! You guys want to take a picture?
Come here. Oo, hindi. Nana! Oh, pakita mo. Open mo, open.
down, can't move, break me down. And I was too